Keep toes together. Breathe. Hold the ball. Plie. Open. Plie. Straight. Close. And then plie. And up. And open. And go plie again. Sorry. And then slowly up. Right now, third circle. Relax. And plie. Put it aside. Just stay there. Let go. Make sure your arm in front of your body. 2 more counts. Stay. Good. And up. Hold your ear. Stretch your neck. And release on 4. Head circle from left side. Circle back to the right. Other side. Pull the ball. Hold there. Don't move. 2 more counts. Let it go. Up. Hold your ear. And then stretch your neck. Stay. 4 counts. And release. Head circle. Start from right side. Circle back to the left. Good. Tongue to the side. Turn in. Turn out. Again. In and out. Right now. Twist. Open. Plie. Circle shoulders. Again. Reverse shoulder. Open. Up. Forwards. One more time. Good. Tongue to back. Slide down all the way. Stay. Hold there. Don't move. Stay. Let go. Stretch. And up. Plie. Right now, right way up. Slowly arm up. And really small. Arm up. Hold. And plie. And then we put your toes together. Turn in. Right now, really small. Self-check. 5 toes on the floor. Tailbone forward, stomach in, shoulder open, chin up, upper body forwards.